This is the question practical session of DBMS, and I'm going to discuss the 7th question, which is the second question of day 2. In here I have to create a database for store the computer product data. So I have to create this table and insert those data as well, and I have to create the next computer database and the product table which is in here. The requirements are those, and I have to do some inserts, insert the data, and I have to remove the Lenovo brand and the source this product. Okay, so let's start the build. I'm going to create a new database. The database is next computers, next underscore computer. This is the database name. I'm pressing OK. Then in the database next computers, I'm going to create a new table called product, and I'm going to add the columns. Column name, first one is ID, and it's integer as well as the primary key of the table, and it has no default value as well as it is auto increment column. Second one is brand. It's a varchar, and data length is 45, and model it's also varchar and 45. Quantity, it's an integer. And price is double. Then that is the table, and I'm going to save the table. I'm going to enter the first row of the table. Like in here, ID is auto increment, I don't need to enter it. First HP model pavilion. Quantity is 15, price 175,000. So this is the first row. I'm going to add another columns, another rows in behind this. Okay, now I added the other data into the table, set the data, and I'm going to do the fourth question. It says the owner of the store has identified the Lenovo brand as the leasehold computer brand in the company, so he decided to remove the Lenovo brand. So I have to remove the Lenovo brand from the table. I have to type a delete query. I have to delete from a product. Where brand is brand equals Lenovo. Where brand equals Lenovo. And right there. And now Okay, now I'm going to execute the query. I'm going to execute. When I press executed, it affected rows 1, and I'm going to show you in the table the Lenovo in here IdeaPad. I'm going to refresh the table. Okay, it gone. So the Lenovo brand is not now in the table. So in the 5th question, I have to do the ASUS brand. In the ASUS brand, Cypress M15 should be removed from the database. I have to remove the database. I have to remove the laptop called ROG Cypress M15 from the table. I am going to modify the query via model. Model is equal to this one, ROG Cypress M15 Cypress. Okay, now I'm going to execute the query. Okay, model spelling's wrong. Now affected it. Okay, now I'm going to the data. This is the row. I'm going to refresh. The row is gone now. So that's it for the second question, the question 7, second question of the day 2.